It's Jay
and Alanis,
and welcome back to the Crafty Corner. This week we're going to be making some really awesome towel animals like this fish
and this bear. For this craft you'll receive a washcloth and some rubber band and googly eyes as well.
We don't have those right now, but you'll get some. Alright, to get started we're going to do the fish first. To make the fish, have your washcloth sitting out like it's a diamond shape, pointing towards your abdomen. Take the bottom point and fold it so it's laying over itself, making a triangle. One point connected to the other point. Now take the two side points of your big triangle and fold them into the middle, trying to overlap the cloth as much as possible. Make the 2 points lay over each other. Pat each fold down so that they will stay better. Now, with your littler triangles, you're going to make even smaller triangles by taking the point of the triangle and folding it upwards. Like so. Now you're going to take the bottom, right, the flat side, and you're going to fold it up an inch. And then flip it so they're downwards, and you have kind of a bandana shape. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your two top pieces, and you're going to fold them inwards so the 2 points are touching each other, making a kind of design that looks like a man's shirt collar. Like so. And then you're going to flip it back over, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a rubber band, you might want to hold it to the side, take a rubber band and put it at the point right here. Taking both pieces of the cloth and wrapping the rubber band tightly, pushing it as far up as you can. Now you have your general fish shape. To make it look even more like a fish, take these two pieces at the end and pull them apart, making the fish tail. To make the fins, pull out on these little pieces that are sticking up at the top and the bottom. And there you have your fish. Oop, mine fell apart, but they're easy to fix. You just go back over all of the parts that we went through. To make it look really cute, you can put a little eye. We don't have googly eyes right now, but we can make our own and just put it on the top.
To make the bear, you're going to lay the washcloth down like so. You're going to take the bottom and you're going to roll it towards the center. Make sure to roll it as tightly as possible. And then you're going to take the top and roll it towards the center as well. And it'll look something like this. Now you're going to take one side, you're going to lift it up and fold it at the same time, but not a complete fold, just like a kind of like a twist. You're going to bring it down 3/4 of the way. Then you're going to take what's going to be the arms, and you're going to set them to the side next to the legs. And now to make the head, you're going to take a rubber band, you're going to wrap it around create the head, like so. Now to make the ears, you're going to take those two folds at the top and you're going to bring them up so they kind of create like a heart shape. You may have to adjust it a little bit, that's okay. Now you have a heart shape. Now you're going to take two rubber bands, you're going to place them on the base of what's going to be the ear on both sides. And now you have a bear. Now you can decorate your bear or your fish. If you have some ribbon, You can tie a little bow around his neck.
Looks so cute. And I just put a little eye on mine. We're going to give you guys googly eyes and string and stuff like that so you can decorate them how you would like. We've also, in this video, attached some other videos of awesome animals that you can create with other towels. So give that a check out.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please join us Crafty Corner Live on Mondays.
And we hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And remember to be kind, be brave, and be you.